Hello everyone! So this is Edmond, Mindaros Channel, at sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to remove GCash as payment method on TikTok Pay Later. Activated na ba ang TikTok Pay Later mo at nalik mo na ang GCash wallet mo, then gusto mo itong i-remove as payment method, then may option naman yan. Kaya kung hindi mo kabisado kung paano yan gawin, then stay tuned ka lang at start na natin. So ang next step na yung gagawin, kailangan mo lang mag-login or i-open mo lang dito ang yung TikTok app. So dito lang sa ating TikTok profile homepage, dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung shop. And then dito lang sa ating shop, dito lang sa pinakataas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Pay Later. And madadirect agad tayo dito sa ating TikTok Pay Later. And makikita mo naman dito yung ating credit available. And then next step, dito lang sa top right corner, makikita mo dito yung icon settings na yan, kailangan mo lang yan i-click. And madadirect agad tayo dito sa settings. So since nalik na natin dito yung ating GCash kung paano ba natin i-remove as payment method. So all details makikita mo naman dito yung phone number, PIN management, yung biometric verifications. And the next, kailangan mo lang i-select dito or i-tap mo lang dito yung payment method. And dito na tayo sa manage payment methods. So for payments, makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating GCash. So kailangan mo lang yan i-tap. And then GCash. And then dito naman sa baba, makikita mo dito yung option na remove payment method and kailangan mo lang yan i-click ulit. And then mag-pop up tong notifications na remove this payment method. So if you remove it from your account, it will become unavailable for all payments including ongoing automatic deductions. So may option naman dito na cancel or remove. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung remove. The payment method has been removed. Ayan. So, makita mo naman dito na na-remove na natin dito yung ating GCash. So, kung gusto mo ulit itong i-add, pwede mo naman yan. And the next method, ituturo ko kung paano natin ito i-link yung ating GCash wallet dito sa ating TikTok Pay Later. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-remove ang GCash as payment method dito lang sa ating TikTok Pay Later. In hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa TikTok app tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.